Good morning, students. Now we are going to see function of function rule. Okay, so see now W is a function of two variables x and y having the partial derivatives dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y. If both the variables x and y are differentiable functions of a single variable t, then w is a differentiable function of t and dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. So this theorem is explained through diagram. You see w is a function of x and y. Okay, w is a function of x and y. These x and y are, it's a function of single variable t. Okay, then according to the theorem, w is a differentiable function of t. So if you can find dw by dt. We can find dw by dt. What it is, what is the formula? You see that. Here you can move along this path or this path. So first if you move, w is a function of two variables. So we can differentiate w with respect to x as well as we can differentiate w with respect to y. So here we have to use the partial differentiation. And your x and y are the function of a single variable t. So here we have to go for ordinary differentiation dx by dt, here dy by dt. So now you are going to write the relation between w and t. So dw by dt is equal to dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. That is given in the theorem. See, I'll read the theorem again. W is a function of two variables x and y having the partial derivatives dou w by dou x and dou w by dou y. And x and y, if both the variables x and y are differentiable functions of a single variable t, that means the differentiable functions of a single variable t means we can write dx by dt and dy by dt. Then we can say that w is a differentiable function of t, so that we can write dw by dt as dou w by dou x into dx by dt plus dou w by dou y into dy by dt. This is called the function of function rule. That is w kullare x and y irukku. xy is a function of t means we can write w in terms of t. That is called the function of function rule. So it is a very important rule. Okay, so we'll move to the problem number exercise 8.6, the problem number 1. So if u of x comma y, u is a function having two independent variables x and y. Okay, so here it is written, u is written and x is equal to e power t. So x is equal to e power t means x is having the variable t and y is equal to sin t. Y is also a function of t. Find what is asked, du by dt. Here explicitly in the u function t is not there, but x and y is involving. X and y is a function of t. So you have to find du by dt and evaluate it at t is equal to 0. So first go for the diagram. You see the diagram. So here I have drawn u. See that u is a function of x and y. X and y is a function of t. So how you can write here dou u by dou x. Here x is a function of single variable t, so that is dx by dt. Here dou u by dou y into dy by dt. So how to write the relation between du and t? So that is du by dt can be written as dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. That is the formula. So here in the first step I have written the formula. Okay, so consider the u. So I didn't write u of x comma y. U function I have taken. That is x squared y plus 3x y power 4. It involves two independent variables. So first you concentrate on x. So we can differentiate u partially with respect to x. Partial differentiation is used. So with respect to x, so y is a constant. So in the first term y is a constant. It is taken out. The differentiation of x squared is 2x. And come to the second term, 3 and y power 4 is a constant. Here the remaining is what? X. So the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So this will be the answer. If we rearrange, you will get this. In the same way, you can find you can differentiate u partially with respect to y. So x is a constant. Go to the first term. X squared is a constant is written. And here y, if you differentiate y with respect to y is 1. And go to the second term. Can you say what is a constant? So 3x is a constant. So it is written here. And the differentiation of y power 4 is 4y cube. So it is written here. Next, you have to take x. X is equal to e power t. X is a function of single variable t. If it has double variable, we have to go to the partial differentiation. But here x involves only one variable. So you have to ordinary differentiation has to be used. Dx by dt. The e power t, the differentiation is e power t. In the same way, y is also a function of single variable t. Y is equal to sin t. So dy by dt is equal to cos t. So we have found all the terms and you just call the formula. So du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x. This is your dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. That is written here. Okay. So see now. So in this one, here you have to write u in terms of t. You should not be in x and y. So x has to be substituted. What is x? X is nothing but e power t. And y is nothing but sin t. So in the place of x and y, you have substituted x as e power t and y as sin t. So here, what is y? Sin t. So sin power 4t into e power t. Here, what is x? It is e power t. The whole square is e power 2t. And here it is e power t. Here sin t. So sin cube t into cos t. So from all the terms, what is common? E power t is common. So if you take it out, this e power t is taken out. So these two terms is written as it is. Here you are having e power 2t. So 1 e power t is taken out. So the remaining is there. E power t into cos t. This e power t is taken out. So what is remaining? 12 sin cube t into cos t. So this is the answer for the du by dt. And du by dt has to be evaluated when t is equal to 0. So when t is equal to 0, if you substitute, here e power 0, sin 0, here sin 0 the whole power 4, here e power 0 into cos 0, here it is sin cube 0 into cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, so the whole term is 0. Here also it is 0. But cos 0 is 1. 1 into anything to the power 0 is 1. So here sin 0 is involved, so it is also 0. So if you calculate here in the bracket, you will have 1. 1 into 1 is 1. The same you have to find the first problem like this. Come to the problem number 2. Okay, if u is equal to u of x comma y comma z. So here 3 independent variables involving. It is given. X is a function of t and y is also a function of t and z is also a function of the single variable t. Find du by dt. First draw the diagram. It is very useful for writing the formula correctly. So what you have to do? U is a function of x, y and z. X, y, z is a function of t. Okay, so you see that u is a function of x, y, z. 3 variables are involved. So we have to write dou u by dou x, here dou u by dou y and dou u by dou z. And x is a function of single variable, means you have to find dx by dt, dy by dt and dx by dt. There are 3 ways to find u in terms of t. So you have to write 3 terms in the formula. The first one is what? Dou u by dou x into dx by dt. What will be the second one? Dou u by dou y into dy by dt. The third one, dou u by dou z into dz by dt. That is the formula is written here. Okay, you consider the u term. What is u? X y squared z cube. So it involves three independent variables. So we have to go to the partial differentiation. First one, dou u by dou x. So u has to be differentiated partially with respect to x. So they are the product. Okay, so first you have to take the constant terms. What are constant? Y squared z cube is a constant. The differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. And come to the next one, dou u by dou y, which is a constant. X and z is a constant. So x z cube is a constant. Here you are having y squared. The differentiation of y squared is 2y with respect to y. And the next one, what it is? Dou u by dou z. What are constant? X and y are constant. So it is written x y squared. And what is remaining in the problem? Z cube. The differentiation of z cube is 3z squared. So if you simplify, you will get. So take the x is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t, and z is equal to 1 plus e power 2t. So it's a function of a single variable t. So dx by dt. So it is nothing but sin t differentiation is cos t. And cos t differentiation is minus sin t, that is dy by dt. You have to differentiate z with respect to t. The differentiation of 1 is 0. And e power 2t, how will you differentiate? E power 2t, and the power has to be differentiated. So with respect to t means 2t, if you differentiate with respect to t, that is 2. So I have written 2 e power 2t. It has to be substituted in the formula. So these two terms has to be multiplied plus these two and plus these two. So it involves x, y, z. So x, y, z has to be substituted. What is your x? X is nothing but sin t, y is cos t, and z is 1 plus e power 2t. So here from all the terms, z squared is common, so it is taken out. So here what is remaining? It is y squared z cos t plus 2xy z minus sin t plus 3xy squared into 2 e power t. In the place of x, so here z is there. Z is what? 1 plus e power 2t. Z squared is the whole square. What is y? It is cos t. So it is cos square t. What is z? 1 plus e power 2t into cos t. So next one, 2xy. In the place of x, what is substituted? Sin t. In the place of y, cos t. In the place of z, 1 plus e power 2t into minus sin t. So in the place of x, sin t. In the place of y, cos t, so cos square t into 2 e power 2t. Look at the first term. It is 1 plus e power 2t into cos square t into cos t is cos cube t. Okay. So here you are having minus. So this minus, well, we can write in the front. So minus. You look at this. 2 sin t cos t. It's a formula of sin 2t. So these three terms I have written as sin 2t. So why the minus? So in this term you are having minus. So the minus is written here. This three terms is written as sin 2t. What is remaining here? 1 plus e power 2t into sin t. Come to the third term. So see now here 3 is there. E power 2t I have written and 2 sin t cos square t. This from 2 sin t cos square t, 1 cos t, if you combine with 2 sin t cos t, it is nothing but sin 2t. About 1 cos t is there. So therefore it is 3 e power 2t into cos t into sin 2t. So therefore what is this? It is du by dt can be written like this. Okay. So come to the problem number 3. The same way we have to do. So if w is a function of x, y, z, three variables. X is equal to e power t, y is equal to e power t sin t, and z is equal to e power cos t. Find dw by dt. So how the diagram is? W is a function of x, y, z. X, y, z function of t. So here it is dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, dou w by dou z. Here you are having dx by dt, dy by dt, dx by dt. So three terms has to be multiplied and then add. So here first step I have written the formula. Okay. See now, take w. W is what? X squared plus y squared plus z squared. This W has to be differentiated partially with respect to x. So here the three terms are in plus. Go to the first term. So if you differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x. The remaining two terms are constant whose differentiation is 0. Similarly, dou w by dou y is 2y because y squared has to be differentiated as 2y. The remaining two are constant. In the same way, dou w by dou z, x squared plus y squared, both the terms are constant. Z squared differentiation with respect to z is 2z. Next you take what is x? X is equal to, what is it? It is e power t. What is x? X is equal to e power t. So dx by dt is e power t only. Y is equal to e power t into sin t. Okay. So we have to differentiate y with respect to t. See here how many terms are there? Two terms. They are in the product. So you have to use the product rule. So first term is written as it is and the differentiation of sin t is cos t. In the product rule, here you have to write plus. Next, sin t is written. E power t differentiation is e power t. From these two terms, e power t is common. If you take it out, cos t plus sin t. Come to the same way. What is z? E power t into cos t. Okay. So you have to find dz by dt. So here also t is involved in two terms. They are in the product. So here product rule has to be used. E power t is written as it is. The differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus cos t into e power t. Okay. E power t, if you take it out, cos t is positive and here the sign, here you are having minus. So minus sin t. So you have to substitute in the formula. So formula is substituted. But here w in terms of t irkalam. Now x and y has to be changed. So from all the terms, what is common? 2 e power t is taken out. So here it is x, here it is y. 2 e power t is taken out. The outside you are having y into cos t plus sin t. If you expand y cos t plus y sin t. In the same way 2 e power t is taken out. Here you are having z cos t minus z sin t. So still you are having x and y. So x has to be substituted as e power t and y has to be substituted as e power t sin t. So x is e power t, y is e power t sin t. Here you are having cos t, so into cos t plus y. What is it? Y e power t sin t. Again you are having sin t, so e power t into sin square t. What is z? E power t cos t, so e power t into cos square t. And minus, what is z? E power t cos t into sin t. So this plus e power t sin t cos t and minus e power t sin t cos t getting cancelled. So combining these two terms, e power t is taken out, sin square t plus cos square t. What is it? It is 1. So e power t plus e power t. What is it? 2 e power t. If you multiply 2 2s are 4. E power t into e power t is e power 2t. That is your dw by dt. Okay, come to the problem number 4. The same way you have to proceed. U is a function of 3 variables and x is equal to e power minus t. Y is equal to e power minus t cos t and z is equal to sin t. So see the diagram. So what is the formula? Du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. Consider u. It's a product of 3 terms x, y, z. So you have to differentiate u partially with respect to x. They are in the product. So therefore, partially with the partial differentiation is used with respect to x. The other two variables are constant. So y z is written. So the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. And dou u by dou y. X z is constant, it is written. Here you are having y. The differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So it is x z. The same way, dou u by dou z. What is it? What is the constant? X and y. So it is written. What is remaining term? It is z. If you differentiate with respect to z is 1. Take the first term, the same model. X is equal to e power minus t. So how to differentiate this? E power minus t and the power has to be differentiated. So minus t with respect to t is, the differentiation is minus 1. So it is minus e power minus t. Here t is involved, two terms, they are in the product, so product rule has to be used. So first term is written as it is, cos t differentiation is minus sin t. The product rule here you will have plus, cos t is written as it is, the differentiation of e power minus t is e minus e power minus t. From these two terms minus e power minus t is common. What is remaining? This minus is taken out, so here sin t, this also minus is taken out, so it is plus cos t. Here z is equal to sin t. The differentiation of z with respect to t is cos t. So you have to substitute in the formula. So if you substitute, you will get this answer. Okay. So you will get this. But it involves x and y has to be substituted. So y has to be substituted as e power minus t into cos t. Z is sin t into minus e power minus t. X is what? What is x? X is equal to e power minus t. Okay. Z is what? It is sin t. So x is e power minus t into sin t. Here also you are having minus e power minus t into sin t plus cos t. Come to the third term I have written here. What is x? E power minus t. What is y? E power minus t into cos t. Already our cos t is here. So it is cos square t. So from all the terms, what is common? Minus e power minus t. You see the term? Here also you are having minus. In this term also you are having minus. Here you don't have minus. So that's why I have written here minus. Okay, which is taken out? Minus is taken out. And you see that e power minus t into e power minus t is e power minus 2t. Here also you are having e power minus t into e power minus t, e power minus 2t. Here also you are having e power minus t into e power minus t is e power minus 2t. So that is taken out. So minus and e power minus 2t is taken out. But what is remaining here? Cos t, sin t. You look at this term which is taken out, minus e power minus 2t. But here in the outside what is common? Sin t. Sin t into sin t is sin square t. Sin t into cos t is sin t cos t. So here minus is taken out. So this term here you have to write minus. This is taken out. But remaining is cos square t. See, cos t sin t, here also cos t sin t. So it is nothing but how many cos t sin t is there? 2. So it is written as 2 sin t cos t. So here the positive term is sin square t minus cos square t. So it's a formula of sin 2t. And from these two terms, if you take minus out, so this will become positive. So cos square t minus sin square t. It is the formula of cos 2t. So therefore the answer will become minus e power minus 2t into sin t minus cos t. You look at the answer here, there is no x and y is involved, only u is in terms of t. So the fifth problem is left out to you. So you have to try by yourself. Thank you, students.